Okay, so see, I've got nice little pieces here. I can maneuver around on my own. I can throw this into the dumpster that's on property. I still haven't taken up these stairs yet. I'll do that tomorrow. And let's just, you wanted to see up here how I'm leaving things for tonight. Okay, have it all pulled up. Got all this stuff here. Here's my carpet all nicely cut, all rolled up. The carpet pad already in here. Oh, wow, look at that. Here I go again. All the carpet pad, you see it? You see my system? I got everything all set up, all ready to go and to do more tomorrow. What am I gonna do tomorrow? Well, I gotta pull up all the staples that the carpet pad was installed with the hammer tacker, boom, 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 because this is a wood subfloor. Okay, that's how they did it. And there's no way I'm putting carpet pad over this without taking all the remnants of the carpet bits up first. Yeah, it's gonna take a while. Yes, it's gonna take a while. And let me show you what the last person did. There used to be a carpet area in here. Now see the red carpet pad stuff right here, the red. That was from the last person before they installed the new carpet. And then the carpet pad that I took out was the blue bits. Well, they left all the red bits, didn't they? They didn't care. And then they just put the carpet pad over that. I'm not doing that, forget that. I'm doing it right. I'm gonna make it look all nice and pretty. Check out, make sure I don't have any squeaks on the floor, and clean everything, sweep everything up. And it's gonna be nice for me to be able to paint now. I don't have to worry about any of this carpet in my way. And you know, I'm gonna get everything off the floor first. I don't want to be tripping over any little staples that are stuck up and all that kind of stuff. And lots of places there's wood that's frayed up. See, like that? That's a tripping hazard if I ever saw one. And there's some rough areas on this floor. Look at all along here. There's bits of the wood that's pushed up, and I don't know. The last person did something there, and I need to get all that stuff flat and cut some of that stuff off. Make sure I don't have any ridges like that and all that. I don't want that showing up, because see, here's the thing too. On this particular floor right here, I'm not putting carpet back down, so I got to pull up the carpet tack strip along this whole thing, and I need to make sure everything's nice and smooth and flat, because we're going to put a vinyl planking down. I still have to pull out all of this wood floor in here, and I'll make another video of that, is showing you as I'm doing that. And then this whole area here, I got to make sure that all the staples are pulled up. I don't have any little bulges on the existing wood like that. See there? That would bulge up the vinyl planking, because the vinyl planking is only I don't know, 3/16 thick, 1/4 inch, maybe not even that. So all of this floor has to be nice and smooth. And I'm hoping we're gonna talk to someone, and hopefully they won't say, hey, the best way to do it is to put hardy backerboard stuff. It comes in 4x8 sheets. You can get a 1/4 inch thick and 1/2 inch thick, and we could put that down first. Okay, that is nice and solid material, nice and smooth. And you know, I have no idea how this is installed. Hopefully it's just installed with the nails on the sides, you know, on each tongue after they shoved in the groove. But I don't know, they could have glued it. There could be mastic underneath there, and I might be a scraping fool for the next couple of days after I pull this up. I have no idea, because it's on a wood subfloor, okay? And if there's glue on there, I'm gonna have to scrape all that off. Then I'm gonna have to look at it and make a determination. Do I think it's smooth enough for the vinyl planking? Because that stuff is not very thick, okay? And you got to think about all this kind of stuff, okay? So we'll come up with a game plan and move forward. Hopefully you'll get a chance to join me to watch the rest of this condo refurbishment, a condo enhancement, whatever you want to call it. And I'm going to put episodes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so forth. So you want to see the next episode after this, look for it on my channel, click it, and see what I'm doing next. I might even title the whole series Remodeling a Condo, How to Remodel a Condo, or whatever. So I don't know what it's going to be called yet. Just look on whatever one this is, look at it and find out what the episode is. And if you want to see some previous ones or some later ones, have at it. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.